determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
This is the main event game of the evening ng 2023 Sinag Liga Asya Sinag Cup Born 2001, presented to you by Converge FiberX. Experience better with Converge, and we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the final game of this holiday quadruple header between the North and South representatives, as we will see Justin Big Moment Bautista, 14 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals in the last game ng Pampanga Delta. Makakatapat niya MJ Homo, 13 points and 11 assists in a win for the Laguna Datzlav x EOZ Construction. That is our game at hand between the visiting Laguna Datzlav x EOZ Construction contra the home team Pampanga Delta. And now let's turn it over to Ram Valid for the Sinag starters of the game.
Maya pabengi kay Gayungan, Sinag fans, we're coming to you live at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Sinag Liga Asya Born 2001 Cup, presented to you by Converge FiberX. Doble na, dinoble pa. And we're also live at YouTube channel, Sinag Liga Asya TV, Sinag Liga Asya FB page, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. This is the main event of the evening. It's the battle between Laguna Datzlav EOZ Constructions and your Pampanga Delta. And now let's meet the protagonists first for your Laguna Datzlav EOZ Constructions. Starting at guard number 55, Michael Homo. Also at guard number 62, John Manuel. At forward number 41, JR Tamarosa. Also at forward number 16, Jared Madiz. And center number 17, Rich Alota. Head coach for Laguna Datzlav EOZ Construction is Rolly Amodelo. Assistant coaches Raymond Lingal, Marvin Cruz, Reggie Gutierrez. Team owner Mr. Nemesis Lapina. Your Laguna Datzlav EOZ Construction. And now let's meet the Sinag starters for your Pampanga Delta. Starting at guard number 13, Steven Angeles. Also at guard number 34, Sonny Estil. At forward number 15, Joshua Miklot. Also at forward number 18, Justin Bautista. And center number 4, Kevin Santos. Head coach for Pampanga Delta is Pedic Di Matulak. Assistant coaches Jay Shara, Totoy Marquez, Pat Duyag, and Aishel Santos. Team consultant Mr. Alan Trinidad, and team manager, team owner Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Your Pampanga Delta. Game officials for this game, Crew Chief Anthony Roque, first umpire Jong Banayat, second umpire Dennis Escaros. This is your Sinag Liga Asya. We are one.
And here are your Sinag starters of the game. Madis, Alota, Tamarosa, Homo, and Manuel para sa Datzlav. Para naman dito sa Pampanga Delta, Santos, Angeles, Miklat, Bautista, and Sunny Estil as it's a Letronite 4.
Yes,
Quartet of Letronites.
Oo, except for Sunny Estil dito, no? So, grabe itong lineup talaga ng Pampanga Delta. Still undefeated in this Sinag Liga Asya Cup, Sinag Cup for 2001. Grabe. So, both teams are actually playing in their 7th game.
Yes.
Pang 7th game na nila to, in this tournament that we have here.
So, one thing para dito sa Pampanga Delta, they can remain perfect after this ballgame if they win, no, Coach Pancho?
That's right. So, yun yung motivation naman ng Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction dito to become the first team to beat itong Pampanga Delta.
So far, no one has had the formula, di ba? No one has come remotely close. Dito sa Pampanga Delta, ito Manuel from the outside knocks it down for the first 3 points of the game.
Yeah, that's a good sign for Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction. But we saw Pampanga Delta being, threatened by some other teams, but eventually they came victorious pa rin, no?
Oo.
Na nga, nakasagot agad.
Joshua Miklat, di ba? Good drive as ito. Alota, I think he was surprised that Santos was with him dun. Katabi niya, akala niya habulin ni Kevin yun.
Yes.
Miklat, back to Justin. They swing it to Steven.
Yes, the familiar 1-3-1 formation nila sa kanilang opensa.
And look at that finish by Steven Angeles.
Yes. Kaya naman ito, hindi niya pinapaya si Coach Pedic de Matulak sa pagiging starter niya rito.
Yes.
So first basket here for Steven Angeles.
Back-to-back starts na for Steven Angeles dito as Bautista with the board. They're on the run. They have the numbers. Ball gets poked away. Look at the battle. Sunny is still talagang and MJ Homo. That's how much they want this win.
Yes, talagang given yan, especially for Sunny Estil. Talagang he'll do everything for the ball, especially pag ang bola natin Sunsport.
Tingnan natin yun. Nasundutan si Bautista ni Homo and then Estil down on the floor. First to the floor talaga ng Coach Pancho.
Right. So ito, another opportunity again for Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction to take the lead one more time.
Manuel, good up fake. In and out yung tira. Estil with another rebound. Bautista gets stripped from behind by Manuel.
So itong si John Manuel is active dito for Laguna EOS. So
Yun
behind the back pass, medyo fancy yon yung ginawa ni Homo.
Oo. MJ Homo did that a lot nung nasa home floor nila. But lamang na sila nung nag-it's the with one when they did that. So ngayon nadikit pa and very early on,
Yes.
mahirap gawin yan
Especially against Pampanga Delta.
Oo.
Who actually is the #1 team when it comes to
Most of the things.
And yung points from turnovers, they love to capitalize the miscues of their opponents.
#1 team in yun nga, points of turnovers, rebounds.
Halos lahat
Diba? Assist. Lalo na yung assist, diba? They're the #1 team in assist, averaging 23 a ball game.
Pass break points. Tsaka yung may isa pa.
Ano pa?
Number of dunks.
Actually, diba? Dalawa pa nga lang may team na ibang dunk. Kanina batang lakanis ito. Oh, Santos! Met at the rim by Madis.
Mukhang gusto kagad muna kagad ni Kevin Santos doon.
Alam mo na bumebuelo na ang siyang skyscraper. Let's see this again. Good pass by Sunny and Kevin. Nakabuelo na And yun, clearly a foul there. And kita mo yung kakamay ni Madis nasa siko ni Kevin Santos This kid can sky, but this is again the next phase of his game that he needs to develop. The shooting part. He needs to be consistent from the mid-range, from the free throw line, and even extend it to the three-point line if kaya, di ba?
which is very possible at his young age.
Oh, as there's a steal by Joshua. Justin pulls the trigger. No good. And look at Angeles keeping it alive.
Yes, kanina pa si Angeles active din dito sa floor na to. Kanina naka-steal siya and he's been hustling. Etong si Steven Angeles, that's why he's been earning the starting spot dito for Coach Federic de Matulak.
Yes, and Miklat gives it to Santos.
Ito,
This is a
may early
mismatch.
double.
And there you go. That baseline jumper of Kevin Santos is money.
Yes, if he continues to knock down those perimeter J, that short jumper, deadly na tong si Kevin Santos, especially kapag naging consistent siya sa three-point play. Sa three-point shot, rather.
Oo. Grabe no, as ito. Tamarosa met by Estil. Oh, sneaky move but misses again. Sonny Estil, surprisingly, is the #1 rebounder ng Pampanga Delta. Not Kevin Santos, not Jonel Policarpio. It's Sonny Estil. Ito, Angeles from the other side. Three-pointer, no go. Sonny! Look at the hustle by Sonny Estil on the rebound. And that's why he's the #1 rebounder ng Pampanga Delta.
Yes, dalawang Pampanga Delta yung crash for the boards that time.
Look at this, Coach Pancho. Kevin Santos.
Face-up jumper.
Grabe. Growth. Diba? Wala siyang ganyan last year. Ito, Justin. Pick and roll. Justin attacks and he'll troop to the line for 2.
Looks like he's getting better dun sa injury niya with the way he moves. What do you think, Enzo?
Well, you know, last game talaga pinilit niya kasi sabi niya yung tuhod niya masakit pa and he was not feeling well. But ngayon, I think he's still feeling a couple of things but he's extra motivated today because his friends and family are right here. Yung mom and dad niya, si Tita Janice and Tito Ernie are right here and his girlfriend, Arceli Belmonte, is in attendance together with a couple of his friends.
Yes.
Nandito, pinapanood siya. At ngayon, ibigay natin kay Sarah Turchman for her report on the first period. Sarah?
From Laguna Datzlav, ex-EOZ Construction Assistant Coach Raymond says na tama ang paghahanda nila physically and mentally. Senet lang ang mind na kanilang mga players at focus lalo na home court advantage ng kalaban. Stick lang sa game plan ni Coach Rolly and focus on more on their defense. Also, Coach Rolly is not available in tonight's game dahil medyo busy lang and may important matters na kailangan asikasuhin. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Sarah. And yun nga, alam nila gano'ng ka-importante ang home court kasi last game nila, sila ang may home court ng Coach Pancho.
Yes. And they are hoping na sana yung result ng kanilang sinundang game kanina wherein Parañaque Pelicans won the ball game without the head coach. Siguro yun din ang gusto nilang mangyari dahil wala si Coach Rolly dito.
But that's a tough task. Look at Estil protecting the paint.
Yes.
And they're against this
Towering presence ng Pampanga Delta dito.
I can't even find adjectives to describe Pampanga Delta and how good they are, diba? Understatement pa nga yung good eh. Ito, they're up by 5, 8-3.
Yes, kanina binanggit mo na nanonood yung mga family and friends ni Justin Bautista. Take advantage of this para alam ko may balak may dapat na ipagpasalamat.
Syempre, pamigay nila sa akin na pasalubong. Diba? Thank you so much to the Bautista family. Justin Bautista's family, ibang Bautista family, maisip na naman na ibang tao eh. Ito, 2-on-1 fast break for... That's a... Golden opportunity for them.
Yes. And look at that. After missing that layup. Pero ito, mukhang may offensive foul.
Kay Kevin Santos.
Good break para sa Datzlav EOS Construction yun,
Oh no, a holding foul, not an offensive foul. So it wasn't an offensive foul. It's a holding foul on Kevin Santos. So magiging 2 free throws pa to dahil penalty na ang Datzlav.
Yes.
But yun nga lang, nakita mo Kevin. You see the disappointment in his face and he has been working on his free throws the entire year daw.
Yes, Bleed Charities once again dito for Kevin Santos.
Yes. Ito Manuel. He has 2 towers to beat right now. Look at that geniusness by Kevin. That's actually legal no, Coach Pancho, under FIBA basketball rules, yung ginawa ni Kevin Santos. It's not on the ball was not on the cylinder when he tapped it out. Just look at this right here, the goal cam. Much better angle.
Yes, hindi pa tumatama na ring eh.
Oh.
At hindi niya nahawakan.
Yes.
Hindi niya nawakan yung ring.
Oo. Grabe. And look at this strike package off the bench. Superman, June Arthur Roque, Carlo Ferreras, Joseph Nunag, and the Tasmanian Devil.
Well, if you have that kind of talented pool of players in your lineup, you have the luxury to play it along. And ito si Jared Madis on the line here for Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction. So ito, 5-man substitution dito for Coach Pedic de Matulak. So a different 5, fresh legs for the Pampanga Delta. We'll see. They're enjoying a 5-point lead here. Swing out to the right side here. Ito, kay Joseph Nunag. Nunag with a fake. Look at this. Looking for Arthur Roque from the left corner and swish. Wow. Fresh up the bench, but instant impact ang pinapakita dito ng Pampanga Delta, especially Arthur Roque. Good setup play, but again, Laguna Datzlav having a hard time here underneath because of the interior defense, but great recovery here by JR Tamarosa. Yes, and Kevin Santos, Janelle Policarpio here. CJ Delpino tries to slice into the middle, looking for Janelle, but clobbered that time.
Oo. And ito, Nunag playing safety, but napunta kay Alota. And underneath, easy basket for Datzlav.
Yeah, so that time, transition offense for the Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction, cutting down the lead to just 4 for Pampanga Delta. At eto, nagkakaroon sila ng onting momentum dito.
Oh, and look at MJ weaving through the defense.
Yes, but there's CJ Delfino to stop that transition offense opportunity.
And Paulie loses the basketball right there. Good strip by MJ Homo.
Yeah, so MJ Homo, you know, preventing that automatic fast break opportunity for Pampanga Delta. As we take a look at the assist of the quarter.
Brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asya. Ito, Tamarosa against Ferreras. He has the size advantage. Alota kicks it out to Homo. Get Paulie defending itong si Homo. And they drop it down low. And beautiful layup right there by Alota.
Yeah.
Down to 2.
That's right. So the defense of Pampanga Delta inviting the Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction to attack them, in which they are doing successfully by giving great times right here. Look at this, slicing into the middle, finding his teammates right there, creating that shot. Basket goes in.
Difficult shot yan, and it's down to just a 2-point lead para dito sa Pampanga Delta. 12-10 with 3 minutes exactly natitira sa ating first period.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
As we can see, the beloved governor of Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and of course, Coach Humperdinck de Matulak. At ngayon, ibigay natin kay Maris Victoria for her update in the first period for Pampanga Delta.
Yes, it is the Pampanga Delta's home court advantage, and the players are ready to showcase their skills and dominate the playing court. And as per Pampanga Delta's coaching staff, susundin pa din nila ang usual system at in-advise nila sa mga players na hindi pwedeng maging kampante kasi bilog ang bola, madaming pwedeng mangyari. Kaya naman ang mga players are very focused sa defense. Sabi ng mga players, they will be consistent sa kanilang winning streak, of course, also with the help of the supportive Kapampangan crowds. Back to you, Coach Pancho and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Maris, for that update on Pampanga Delta. And yun na nga, they want to continue this streak na Coach Pancho kasi nga grabe na eh. You're at 6-0 na, di ba?
Yes, and before that basket ni MJ Homo, nagkaroon ng 5-0 run dito ang Pampanga Delta, courtesy of a 3-pointer by Arthur Roque and underneath basket by Junel Policarpio.
Oo. Right here, a miss. But look at Nunag. Hustling hard. Itong si Joseph Nunag Jr.
Again, one of the workhorse ng Pampanga Delta dito as we take a look at this drive of the quarter, Enzo.
Brought to you by Photon, the official mobility partner ng Sinag Liga Asya. As this kid to the free throw line, Joseph Nunag. Of course, you'll see him, mga letranista,
Yes.
sa Play for the Knights this upcoming season. Very exciting, di ba? May Santos ka na, may Joseph Nunag pa tong letran, di ba?
That's right.
And you also have Kurt the Hurt, di ba? As Manuel,
Oh!
over Policarpio!
Wow. The backcourt, itong Datzlav EOS construction, talagang not afraid to, drive into the lane despite the presence of those taller Pampanga Delta. Hindi sila natatakot.
And look at that, they're challenging Poli pa dito. Tamarosa against Nunag. And there's a foul on Joseph. So Datzlav doing the right thing, keeping in step with Pampanga Delta.
Yes.
Look at this drive again, galing dito kay Junray Tamarosa. Or correction, that's John Manuel. Beautiful move. Dukot shot against Poli.
Finding a way to sneak in that tough play up against Junel Policarpio.
As you can see, the two assistant coaches of Datzlav, ex-EOZ, dahil nga wala ngayon si Coach Rolly Amonelo. CJ to Carlo. They lob it to Roque.
Yes, malakas lang ang pasa ni Carlo Ferreras doon.
This is an interesting stat. They are 0 for 3 in half-court sets for Arthur Roque lobs. They've tried it 3 times. Wala pa ni isa. I bet they're gonna get one in this season. As Poli, good defense. Ito, 4-on-2. Ferreras Delfino to Roque. Unselfish play right there for the Tasmanian Devil.
Yes, medyo na-miss time yung talo ni CJ Delfino, but you know how smart CJ Delfino, especially he knows na mayroong trail job yung dalawa niyang kakampi sa 4 na Pampanga Delta yung nandun sa transition. Look at that.
CJ.
Napakagay talon. But no problem. Diba?
Unselfish, diba, from the Tasmanian Devil, diba? Back then, he would have still shot that. But yun, maturity and, understanding what it takes to be a point guard. As Poli kick to the corner for Roque. No good. Roque with the offensive rebound. Arthur gets fouled.
Yes, and he decided to take it strong with that baseline drive after that miss.
Yes, so to Roque to the free throw line. Of course, you'll see him sa Perpetual very soon. At, let's just greet the happy watching to our very own COO, Coach Leo Isaac, watching from home.
Coach Leo, kumain ka na, Coach Leo.
Kumain ka na.
Oo, Coach Leo, na-miss ka namin dito, ha?
For the first
First
time.
ha?
Well-deserved rest naman din kasi.
Grabe, ang ganda. Ang kulit kasi ng comment ni Coach Leo.
Okay. Ako na naman nakita niya.
Oo nga naman. Rhyme nga naman, di ba? Parang
ito.
Set and keep.
Poli! Superman finally takes flight in SLA!
Yes.
Inaantay natin yan for 6 games.
Tignan mo naman, binanggit lang natin si Coach
Leo
Isaac, ba? Ay, inaantay mo kagad.
Well, look at that right here. The finishing touches on the quarter. Umabot pa yung layup na yun for Datzlav ex-EOZ. But what a quarter for this powerhouse Pampanga Delta team, Coach Pancho. Look at the defense by Roque. And then Superman with the power play of the quarter, brought to you by Converge. FiberX, experience better with Converge.
And that's how you want to end the first quarter of this ball game, by ending it strong. And they are enjoying a 7-point lead over the Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction, Enzo.
25-17 in favor of Pampanga Delta. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa Sinag Liga Asya.
time to dominate. With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! Get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Player to watch para dito sa Pampanga Delta is Sonny Cash Money. Is still another double-double, 21 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists para sa kanya and 50% from the field pa, Coach Pancho.
Yes, grabe yung mga numbers na pinuput up ni Sonny Estel day in and day out dito. Pero ang hindi nakikita dyan yung mga intangibles na ginagawa ni Sonny Estel. The way he hustles, the way he defends, he dives for the loose ball. Kanina nga, naka-dive na kagad siya kanina, di ba? In getting that rebound.
Literal na buwis buhay, di ba? Itong si Sonny Estel. And, you know, people would have thought na nung in-announce yung lineup nila, they thought na, you know, how does he fit into this powerhouse team Pampanga Delta, di ba? Kasi nga, established na to, itong team na to eh. Even with Paulie, di ba? Matagal na nila nakasama si Paulie din. But how does he still fit? Look at how Sonny adjusted himself and his playing style as Lumba underneath.
Oh, again, fresh legs dito for Coach Pedig de Matulak. But fresh legs, but again, you know, instant contribution dito para kay Charles Lumba.
Look at that shot right there by John Manuel. Sila ni Tamarosa talaga yung kumakarga in this game.
Yes, tama ka doon. Enzo Galarosa, sila talaga yung kumakarga doon. Sila ni J.R. Tamarosa.
Let's look at his shot of the game. Brought to you by Finn Cotton, the official sneaker partner of Sinag Liga Asya.
So that was a quick answer dito para sa Datzlav EOS Construction. And ito, they're keeping in step dito for Pampanga Delta. So interesting to see how they can, you know, still keep up with this undefeated team that we have here in the Sinag Liga Asya.
Yes.
Sinag Cup, Born 2001 Cup. So far, they're doing good. But, you know, medyo itong Pampanga Delta, medyo hindi, not the same Pampanga Delta that we saw dun sa kanilang first 6 games dito. Medyo may onting, nakikita ko dito, medyo may onting experimenting and also giving some chances and playing time sa ibang players.
Well, I think, kasi nga, baka if they continue doing the same thing, mahuhulaan na sila ng mga teams, di ba? This keeps other teams guessing as Giam Cambao knocks it down from downtown.
Yes, especially nung last game nga nila, di ba? Yung against Passion Sports Elite, di ba? Who would have thought na Passion Sports Elite will become a threat to Pampanga Delta. But again, especially with this guy, si John Panes, diba, coming off the bench here for Datzlav EOS. We know what John Panes can do. Si Rob Panes, diba?
And kita mo si Rob Panes had to be 2 pesky defenders para matapik sa kanya yung bola. Enrico Bugarin at itong si Hans Nickdao as Galoso puts it up and in.
Wow, itong si Charles Galoso. Ito itong Laguna Datzlav EOS Construction players are responding as well dito for Coach Raymond.
As, ayun, speaking of responding, Enrico Bugarin responds with a 3-pointer.
So ito, nagkakatulakan dito si Charles Lumba at si
Charles Galoso.
Charles Galoso, Enzo Galarosa.
Ha? Yun, hindi ko naintindihan yun. Pero, yung parang Charles nagtulakan doon. And they're still talking.
Kinumpleto ko lang yung alam mo. So,
they're still talking to each other. Of course, si Lumba won't back down from anybody. Alam natin yan, be. Enforcer type player na si Lumba.
There's a foul dito. Baka rin kay Nick Dow.
I think ito yung mga quarters na nagko-cruise control mode itong itong Pampanga Delta. This is their cruise control mode. Pagdating na 3rd and 4th period, that's when their explosion talaga mangyayari.
Yes, of course, giving a chance dun sa mga starters na makapag-recuperate and recover and mag-rest as well. Especially they're playing major minutes, especially dun sa first 6 games nila.
And yun pa nga, di ba yung the last game, 10 8-man rotation lang available sa kanila. 5 players didn't play.
And of course, dahil home court nila to, they want to give chances to other players as well to show up and step up.
Oh!
He had to. He had to. Oh, kasi nakita niya si Kevin Santos. Pero ito.
Alota,
Oo, si
cleaning up
Alota.
the mess. Kiambao, same spot. Short nga lang that time. And ito, Panis on the run. 2 Delta players to beat, and he does beat them to the spot.
Yeah, so back-to-back transition points dito for Laguna EO's construction. But ito, Rob Panis, this is where he is deadly. Sa open floor. Especially with his quickness, tsaka yung long stride niya. And yung long arms, ha?
Yes. Bugarin to Santos. Santos wanted to dunk that down, but nonetheless, 3-point play pa rin.
Yes, and speaking of long arms, siya rin daw, meron yan.
Oo. Alam mo, bumibuelo ng dakdak to si Kevin Santos, di ba? Look at this right
That
here.
was a good inside pass.
Ating power play of the quarter brought to you by Converge. FiberX, experience better with Converge. Pure power galing dito kay Kevin Santos with a mini flex dun sa dulo.
Oo. And he completed that end one play here for Pampanga Delta.
Oo. Grabe. The young skyscraper extends this lead to 10 points, 36 to 26, 6 minutes and 41 remaining in this first half.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si CJ Delpino, abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa Sinag Liga Asya.
Player to watch para dito sa Datzlav X EOZ Construction is Michael Joseph Homo. 13 points, 4 rebounds, 11 assists, 1 steal, 60% from the field. A MJ Homo show dun sa Santa Cruz, Laguna.
Yes,
Kung paano
look at
nangyari.
that, his numbers. Especially dun sa assist, 11 assists, making a difference for his team right there. Orchestrating, involving his teammates. You know, that's the value of MJ Homo into this Datzlav EO's Construction. Ito maganda yung start niya rin dito, ha? Sa first
Oo.
quarter.
And yun nga, di ba? Binantayan pa siya ni Poli kanina and it was no problem pa rin para sa kanya.
Yes, and ito, while Rob Panes will shoot his free throw, ito, batiin lang natin isa sa mga social media partners natin sa Sports On Air. Of course, si Ernest Leo Hernandez. Hey,
Yes.
what's up, buddy?
And of course, congratulations dahil he's covering FIBA ngayon, di ba?
Oo, kaya napaka-busy niyang taong yan. Itong si, ang ating brother si Ernest. And of course, pagkatapos ng FIBA, tignan natin kung makakasama natin to si Ernest dito kasi syempre itong Sports On Air natin is one of our social media partners who's been continuously, you know, covering and helping us pagdating sa coverage ng ating mga
Yes.
games dito.
Let's look at that. JR Bugarin with his signature, splitting the defense and that floater off the glass. Tas yun pa, naka back-to-back baskets pa sila with hand stick daw.
Yes. Actually, si Giam Kimbao.
GM Kimbao pala, sorry.
Kimbao. So, nevertheless, it's a 4 quick points dito ang binigay ng Pampanga Delta. So, ito, 13-point lead.
Rob from the three-point land.
Grabe itong si Rob Panes.
Grabe, no? Talagang an answer din for anything Pampanga Delta does. And they left Nick Dow wide open. Hands way off the mark. Look at Santos right there. What did the rim do to you, Kevin? What did the rim do to you? May galit eh. Just look at this right here, yung three-pointer ni Rob Panes. Beautiful, you know, rotation on the back, on the shot ng Coach Bancho.
Yes, ito, one step late lang nito si Resnick Paldon in closing out the shooters. Itong si Rob Panes. And Rob Panes, you know, he can make you pay from the outside and inside as well because of his slashing ability at yung kanyang athleticism.
Yes. Kasi ito miklat from deep. Wala yun. Kevin, bumibuelo ng dunk eh.
Yes.
You can feel that Kevin wants to throw one down.
Yes. So if you notice to, itong Datzlav EOS Construction, they're trying to push the pace every time makakuha nila ng bola. Inuunahan nila tong Pampanga Delta pagdating sa transition. At in fairness, nakakakuha sila ng mga points doon. Nabibeat nila itong Pampanga Delta sa kanilang open floor prowess.
You can see, of course, the two acting coaches in replacement of Coach Rolly Amonelo as ito Miklat drives, gives it to Sonny. Sonny gets stuffed at the rim.
Wow, perfect timing dito. Para kay Charles Galoso, ha?
Hindi ko pa nakikita yun at Sonny still would get stuffed at the rim, di ba?
Grabe yung effort din ni Charles Galoso. Talagang he's, you know, parang he's ready to rumble. Di ba? Ready siya may pagbakbakan sa ilalim.
Santos.
Hindi siya natatakot.
Oh, Santos! May buwelo yun. And nawala lang sa kanya yung bola and you could feel that the crowd knew what he wanted to do.
But give credit to Datzlav Construction. Talagang china-challenge nila. Look at that, even Kevin Santos. That's why nabalik pa sa kanila yung ball possession, di ba?
Oo, naiilang si Kevin, di ba? Tapos eto, Galoso against Miklat. Marvin, step back triple for Mirondo. Short, but look at that offensive rebound by Galoso. But he got stripped by Sonny Estil. And Sonny
getting back.
That's Sonny Estil for you. That's Mr. Cash Money. That's Miklat. The beautiful scoop layup right there.
Itong Sonny Estil, no, getting back at Charles Galoso. Hindi siya shot block, kundi dahil siguro sinigaw niya lang yung apelido niya. Estil daw eh.
Coach Leo joke yun, ha? Kasi ito, Panes from the outside, no go. Santos with a rebound.
Yes, eto na, nagigising na ang Pampanga Delta rito. And yun yung medyo ayaw mo sa Pampanga Delta. Pag yung mga yan, nasa-challenge yan, parang mas lalong tumatapang eh. Mas lalong ginaganahan eh.
Totoo. Eh, tinan mo pa sino yung dalawang papasok, di ba? On the scores table. And I think nag-uusap pa sila, Poli. Parang may tina-target silang gagawin dito. Diba? They're looking at what they can do on the floor, and that's team chemistry at its finest as Miklat again barrels through, but good strip right there by Marvin Mirondo.
Yes, he has the right idea because he has that size advantage bulldozing his way. Pero quick hands dito for Datzlav Construction. Look at this assist of the quarter, Enzo.
Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop. Beautiful dime by Mr. Big Moment to Mr. Efficiency. Ito. Pampanga looking like a smaller lineup pero ang tangkad pa rin as Poli gets fouled from behind.
Yes, the patience of, you know, Jonel Policarpio. Dati-dati talagang iti-take niya na yung jump shot na yun. But he decided to drive it strong. Ayun na nga, nakakuha pa siya ng foul doon.
Of course, this kid, Jonel Policarpio, about to play for De La Salle University together with our president and CEO's son, Moore Prince Alaw, who, diba?
Speaking of Moore Prince Alaw, Enzo, take it away, yung kanyang junior
NBA. Yes, led by Coach Eric Spolstra and the rest of the Team USA basketball. Diba? Like guys like Anthony Edwards were there. Grabe, that experience. And like I said, La Salle fans should be excited for this UAAP season, di ba?
Yes, and shoutout ko na rin yung mga kaibigan kong coaches na nag-facilitate doon. Si Coach Calvin Kilsanggalang at kasama si Coach Ethel Tacorda.
Yes, happy. Thank you so much for, you know, yung pagko-coach ng mga batang ganyan. Binibigyan pa ng mas brighter future, di ba? With that experience as Sonny Estil, Cash Money from the baseline.
Yes, wide open jumper from the baseline itong Sonny Estil. So walang defender na nag-challenge doon. Libreng-libre.
Alam natin, kayang-kaya niyang ipasok yung mga tira na ganun easily and effortlessly as Sonny couldn't reach it. Michael Homo, a really great finisher under the basket.
Yes, because of his size, talagang nakaka-get away siya sa mga malalaki ng Pampanga Delta eh.
As Bautista still out of sync from 3.
But once he gets one, diba? Magtutuloy-tuloy na yan.
As we see this drive of the quarter brought to you by Photon, the official mobility partner. Kaya-kaya sa Photon.
Yes.
Look at that Rondo-like fake pa by Homo. Look at him. Swim to the defense. And Alota, minadali nga lang ng konti yung tira.
Sayang yun. Si MJ Homo na naman yun.
Bautista to Roque. Good brush screen. Justin.
A good recovery by
June.
Construction.
Look at Sonny. Reach for that one.
That stretch, no?
Oh! Arthur with the poster.
Wow. But before that happened, it was the stretch rebound.
Oh.
The extension na ginawa ni Sonny Estil in keeping the ball alive. That paved the way for that strong drive that almost a dunk, di ba? So,
parang nga, look, let's see right here. This is a perfect angle. It did. It was a dunk, di ba? Roque puts it down. Plus a foul. Hindi lang malinis kasi na foul siya, but he was still able to touch the rim. And look at Sonny again. Naantay ko rin, sumigaw siya ulit ng kanina. It just goes to show the character of Sonny is still very, very very colorful character.
Momentum na ng Pampanga Delta dito. And this is where they are dangerous.
Yung bumuelo, Superman. Nilabas yung kapa. Ito, Delfino. On the rise!
Ooh, short nga lang.
Sayang yun. And Miklat, easy basket again. Who kept it alive? Sonny Estil.
Yes, because of his hustle. Natapihin niya yung bola. But, you know, Pampanga Delta players are everywhere.
Oh, look at that block by Policarpio.
Ooh, umbrella-like defense ang pinakita doon ni Jonel Policarpio. Old school-like defense ang binigay.
Manuel, good up fake. Still a miss in Roque. And Miklat nakagawan. And then look at Homo, Coach Pancho.
Oo, no? Give this guy talaga a credit for his effort talaga. That's why, you know, ito, lumalaban pa rin nung Datzlav Youth Construction.
And ito, Delfino rolls it to Roque. Back to CJ. Delfino to Poli. Poli, big steps, tried to lob it.
Medyo malakas lang.
Oo, the Duncan duo.
Pero pwede nyo nang itira yun.
Oo. Kita mo naman ang selfishness ni Policarpio, di ba, Coach Pancho?
And they want to pump up the crowd, di ba? And also, at the same time, entertain din eh. Pero, you know, maaga pa. But it will come. Di ba? Ilang beses natin nakita yun.
Yes, and you know, itong backcourt front, actually hindi naman backcourt frontcourt eh. Talagang the entire lineup ng Pampanga Delta. This is just an elite team. And when I say elite, talagang parang upper echelon class in terms of chemistry and you know yung togetherness nila, di ba, Coach Pancho? Na kahit sino, ibang-iba, di ba?
Oh, and minention mo na yung Pampanga Delta ang elite team dito. Alam mo ba na dalawa silang team dito na elite?
Ha?
Oo. Fashion Sports Elite yung isa.
Buisit. Hindi ko na-realize yun ah. Kainis yun ah. Ito, Delfino. Looking to dance for the final shot of the quarter. CJ kicks it to Roque. Corner 3, wala yun.
Oo. Medyo wala pa siya nako-convert sa corner 3-pointers ah.
Oh,
look
Sonny.
at that.
What a recovery from
Yes.
Estil. And what a second quarter para dito sa Pampanga Delta. They have now extended this lead to 13 points dito, Coach Pancho.
Yes, after a slow first quarter dito for Pampanga Delta, you know, Datzlav Youth Construction was, you know, after checking this second quarter highlights, was able to recover somehow, temporarily. But again, the second stringer, the shock troopers of Pampanga Delta, their mighty lineup, you know, paved the way for this 13-point lead after first half of action in our main game of this Monday holiday game day that we have here.
52-39 ang ating score. Kapit lang mga kasi na magbabalik po tayo for the second half ng laban ng Laguna Datzlav ex Youth Construction kontra Pampanga Delta.
Ganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh-fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asya. At andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng Sinag Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Ang bagay po to kasi unang-una, yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan man bating bagay. Kaya ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, maiwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng Sinag Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at Sinag Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at Sinag Liga Asya.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David, para sa Sinag Liga Asya 40. Igabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, Sinag Liga Asya 40. Laban ka?
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh-fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Ako si CJ Beautyson. Abangan ang Team 1 Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa Sinag Liga Asya.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Richie Melesio, para sa Sinag Liga Asya 40. Laban ka?
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Ako si CJ Delpino. Abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa Sinag Liga Asya.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! And get get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Ako si Ronnie Santos para sa Sinag Liga Asya 40. Game na!
Determinasyon. Sipag. Puso. Pangarap ang puhunan. Talento ang labanan. Umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa Sinag Liga Asya 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Parley Dimla. Abangan ang Team Luidwan Kapampangan sa Sinag Liga Asya.
Hello mga kasinag, Enzo Galarosa po ng Sinag Liga Asya at andito po tayo sa Barangay Tangos South in Navotas City para sa second installment ng Sinag Saya. Halina't subaybayan ang aming journey dito para magpasaya at mag-inspire ng mga kabataan dito sa Barangay Tangos.
Malaking bagay po ito kasi unang-una, yung mga ibang kabataan, yung mindset nila nasa basketball, hindi sa mga sugal, saan man bating bagay. Kaya itong ang pagbabasketball sport natin ay napakalaking bagay po.
Matangkilik po natin ang paglalaro ng basketball, maiwasan po ang mga masasamang gawain para maging maganda patuloy na paglalaro.
At yan po mga kasinag, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating ikalawang installment ng Sinag Saya dito sa Barangay Tangos, Navotas City. Tutok lang po kayo sa aming mga social media accounts at Sinag Liga Asya sa Facebook and Instagram kung saang barangay kami susunod na magpapasaya. Only here at Sinag Liga Asya.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Ako si Romel David para sa Sinag Liga Asya 40. Ikabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, Sinag Liga Asya 40. Laban ka?
Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center is that our halftime score 52-39, a 13-point lead for Pampanga Delta against Datzlav ex-EOZ Construction at the half. You're still joined by Enzo Galarosa and Coach Pancho Alfonso. And Coach Pancho, what did you see from Pampanga Delta side? Why are they up by 13?
Yes, because of their steadiness and composure dito sa second quarter. Even though merong threat of a run ang ginawa dito ang Datzlav EOZ Construction dito. That's why they're still leading by 13 points, ending the half right here. As we take a look at some of the halftime highlights that we have here, Enzo.
Yes, and talagang the hulking front court, the towering front court nito Pampanga Delta. Talagang ibang klase, no? And that masterpiece of a highlight dunk galing dito kay June Arthur Roque. Capped it all off as makikita natin ang halftime stats natin dito powered by Converge, Coach Pancho.
Just look at that field goal percentage, almost the same dito. And sa rebounding department, doon talaga nagdo-dominate ng Pampanga Delta because of his height. And again, yung team chemistry na Pampanga Delta producing 17 assists. And then they are forcing more turnovers dito for Datzlav EOZ Construction because of their defense.
Yes, as yun nga, napakaganda nga ng performance ng parehong kumparan but still 13-point lead for Pampanga Delta dahil nga kalat ang scoring nila. Look at that. June Arthur Roque with 12, Kevin Santos with 7, Miklat and Steele with 6 for Pampanga Delta. Para naman dito sa Datzlav, John Manuel with 10, Homo with 9, Panes with 6, and Alota with 4 at the half. Tapos titingnan natin if Pampanga Delta can sustain this dominance after itong halftime break natin, or will Datzlav ex-EOZ Construction have a big run and at the same time, you know, upset itong undefeated Pampanga Delta in this game?
That's right. But balanced scoring ang pinapakita dito ng Pampanga Delta sa ating first half. And they limited the production of Marvin Mirondo and Rob Panes.
As this 2023 Sinag Liga Asya is brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga Asya. And of course, presented to you by Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge Fiber X.
Yes, and babalikan ko lang yung sinabi ko, yung Marvin Mirondo at si Rob Panes.
And of course, Photon, our official ability partner.
And then yun nga, non-factor yung dalawang names na binanggit ko. But itong MJ Homo at John Manuel yung nagtitimon at nag-carry ng fight dito for Laguna Datzlav EOZ Construction. But what turnover, the way you start the third quarter is not a good sign, obviously.
Totoo, Coach Pancho. So let's see what will Pampanga Delta do on the offensive end naman. Nunag to Angeles, to Miklat. They swing it to Bugarin. Enrico. Oh, cross-court pass niya, natapik. Look at Angeles dive for the loose ball.
Yes. So, 3 seconds remaining.
And Miklat had to toss it up. What a stop there. Defensive stance para dito sa Pampanga, or para sa Datzlav against Pampanga.
Yes.
Manuel misfires again.
So, both teams had a bad start dito sa ating third quarter.
Yes, there's a foul on Enrico Bugarin. It's his first personal. O libre si Homo. But better defense by Angeles. Ang bilis niya mag-close out. Oh, what a shot there by John Manuel.
That's his 12 points of this ball game. Itong si John Manuel. Talagang patuloy pa rin siya dito sa pag-contribute at pag-carry ng fight dito for EOZ Datzlav Construction. At siya nga ang leading scorer dito ng Datzlav. But look at this.
Bugarin, talagang persistence pays off, no, Coach Pancho?
Yes. Ito naman si JR Enrico Bugarin. That's his 7 points.
Yes.
Meron ng 7 points dito sa ating laro.
Off the bench pa, no, Coach Pancho? Eto, MJ. Pulls up from mid-range, backarms that one, Lugma with the board. Enrico surveying the floor, gives it to Miklat. Quick attack by Joshua. Puts it up and out. Asking for a foul was Miklat.
But walang whistle doon. So that was a good honest defense being shown by Datzlav EOZ Construction.
Ito, Bugarin playing defense on Javier. And ito, another three-pointer by Manuel. Look at Nunag with a big rebound. So Pampanga Delta and Datzlav not shooting from the field very well in this third period. Nunag spins away. And there's a foul on the ground yan. Or no, correction, 3-second violation na pinito.
Yes, because nandun na siya sa shaded lane before he received that pass. So, napibilangan na siya ron. Great job by our officials.
The game is quicker but still no baskets consistently for either team. Javier goes to MJ. Homo attack, the spin. Oh! What a finish galing dito kay MJ Homo.
Wow. Spin cycle move by MJ Homo. This guy, MJ Homo and John Manuel, doing wonders here. Look at this.
Yes, ang ating drive of the quarter brought to you by Photon, the official mobility partner ng Sinag Liga Asya. Put him on the blender itong si MJ Homo and completes the 3-point play. Down by 10 ulit sila.
Ay, ang ganda ng pagkakaplant ng feet niya doon. Yung control niya doon para maiwasan yung traveling violation doon.
Oh yun, Angeles turns it over and here comes Javier. They have the numbers. Talking about Datzlav. Yun nga lang, hindi nila na-capitalize as Javier overshoots.
Great transition defense by Pampanga Delta. Nakababa ka agad sila ron.
Steven gives it to Bugarin. Back to Miklat. They swing it to Steven. This is his shot. Steven again misfires. And look at Lumba track it down.
Yes, that's what he does best. Itong si Charles Lumba. Pati ito, Joseph Lunag.
To Angeles.
Yes.
Good passing by the two Letra Knights there.
Right. So napadali ang buhay ni Steven Angeles because of the activity of itong si Joseph Lunag.
You can see, activity. You said nga the word activity. Both of these teams very, very active defensively.
Look at that. Siya pa yung nakakuha ng defensive rebound doon.
Miklat.
Mismatch.
Look at that. And yun nga lang, offensive foul.
Talaga nga lang giggle doon si Joshua Miklat kasi nakikita niya yung kanyang advantage. Nga lang, too aggressive on that move.
Let's look at this again, yung offensive foul ni Miklat. Javier, established position, clearly got trucked by Miklat. Look at this 5-man substitution by Coach Hamperdink and Gov Delta. As you can see, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and their team consultant and team manager, Coach Alan Trinidad.
Yes, for me, that's a good substitution kasi medyo rough start yung first 5 ng Pampanga Delta sa third quarter.
Tingnan mo ito, yung second 5 nila sa second half. Oh, good lob! Over to John Manuel, but is still sleeping.
Yes, Pampanga Delta was given a taste of their own medicine. Usually, sila yung gumagawa ng ganung type of plays.
Carlo swings it to Kevin. He'll try a 3.
But there was a foul down low.
On Michael Homo trying to prevent Sonny from getting to the rim for another offensive rebound. Let's look at this again. Homo the lob for the assist of the quarter brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform.
Nagulat doon Pampanga Delta sa play na yun.
Taste of their own medicine.
Yes.
Santos with the steal. Easy basket for the young skyscraper.
That was a good inside pass for Kevin Santos and you cannot stop Kevin Santos, especially pag nandun na siya dun sa ilalim ng ganung bastuhan.
Good move na sana. But look at that offensive rebound and putback. Galing dito kay Jasper Castillo. Talagang nakipagtalo siya dun kay Santos sa pwestuhan. But look at this beautiful bullet pass. Galing dito kay Paulie. Going over to Santos. Ilalagay na lang niya sa ring. Castillo, first free throw is a make. Ethan can go 2 for 2.
Look at that crowd here distracting. Itong si Jasper Castillo. Angat-angat no? Angat-angat yung boses.
Hinahanap ko kung sino yun Whoever that is a genius. Ferreras lobs it to Santos. Santos, good up fake. Kevin wanting to dunk it down one more time but still good for 2 ang ginagawa ni Kevin Santos.
That's right. So magandang move yan para kay Kevin Santos. Hindi niya pinorse yung shot na yon.
Some patience niya, Coach Pancho. The maturity from this young skyscraper that we have here is very evident. As a good spin again by Homo. The kick to Javier, 3-pointer. That's short. And look at Santos with a big rebound.
Flying high, di ba? Itong young skyscraper natin dito.
Sonny to Arthur.
Good fake.
Sidestep 3-pointer. No go. Kahiyaan dun si Ferreras at si Paulie to get the rebound. Here comes MJ, barreling through the defense. Blocked by a steal. And Santos trying to grab it with one hand.
Di na siya tumatalon, no?
That's how big his hands are. Kaya niyang kunin ng isang kamay lang, di ba? At ngayon, ibigay natin kay Maris Victoria for our update on Pampanga Delta. Maris?
As per Gov Dennis, Delta Pineda for their second quarter huddle at papunta ng third quarter, nag-adjust sila sa defense dahil nag-relax ang mga players. Wala daw problema sa offense pero for Gov, ang key to win for this ball game ay magandang defense para makalayo ang score nila sa kalaban. Back to you, Coach Pancho and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Maris. And that is talagang defense talaga they're trying to key in as Carlo Ferreras knocks down a three-pointer. Defense talaga kasi alam nila, on the offensive end, they're talented enough to just make something out of nothing.
Yes, consistency sa defense. At yun naman yung nagdala sa kanila rito. That's why they're still undefeated. And that's why they're still leading in this ball game. Yun talaga yung primary weapon ng Pampanga Delta, yung kanilang defense.
Yes. As ito, 13-point lead pa rin ang hinahabol ng Datzlav. As, Polly turns it over, tried to redirect Sonny there. And Polly with a foul.
Good idea. Yun nga lang, bad pass.
Kita mo yun, si Policarpo just controlling the offense. But let's look at this block of the game. At sa atin ng SCD, perfect care for your skin. Perfect timing and perfect block right there. Galing dito kay Sonny Cash Money.
That's right, denying that layup by MJ Homo.
And now let's give it to Sarah Thurjman for her update on Datzlav X EOZ. Sarah?
From Laguna Datzlav X EOZ Construction, according to Assistant Coach Reggie, na huwag pa set upin ng depensa ng kalaban lalo na malalaki ang kalaban nila. Transition ng kanilang game plan at itakbo ang bola at doon nila mahabol ang kalamangan ng kalaban. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Sarah. And, wise words from Coach Reggie Gutierrez, the assistant coach of Datzlav X EOZ. Dahil nga, in the absence of Coach Rolly, sila talaga mamando ng team ngayon, di ba? And the players so far responding well. They've kept it on striking distance as Santos to Sonny. Big to big connection there.
Yes, good slide dito underneath para kay Sonny Estil. And, the tall Kevin Santos, kitang-kita niya yung nangyayari sa harap niya.
As Manuel left wide open and Manuel knocks it down. Pangalawa niya yan in this quarter.
Wow. Ito leading the way here. Ito si John Manuel for Laguna Datzlav EOC Construction. They're still in the ball game, 12-point lead. But, they need to stop this Giants of Pampanga Delta. Look at that. Especially, they need to outbox this guy, itong Sonny Estil.
I mean, just proving that why he is the #1 rebounder ng team na to. And look at Homo. Just barrel through Sonny. Hindi kasi nakatingin si Estil dun.
Yes. So, I like the mindset here being displayed by MJ Homo. Talaga, he's not stop playing. But look at this.
Out of nowhere, just Sonny coming in and then grabbing that rebound.
Yes, you need to locate Sonny Estil, or if needed, you need to put a body on Sonny Estil to prevent him from getting those, offensive rebounds.
Even si MJ Homo, a little bit parang fatigue na. Parang medyo nahanap na ng crowd kung sino yung fan na yun, ha? At that time, it didn't work. Still a 13-point barrier para dito sa Datzlav. Carlo trying to pull the trigger from way downtown. Gives it to Paulie. Back to Carlo. Carlo, the one-handed shot. Uy! Nabitin lang si Roque. Would have brought the house down.
Not enough angle that time.
Manuel to Alota. The baseline jumper is good.
Yes. So ito slowly but surely, Datzlav EOC Construction making some baskets, but kapag nagkakaroon na ng momentum ito, sumasagot naman din itong Pampanga Delta.
Yes. But for Datzlav, hindi sila pwedeng makipagpalitan lang na Coach Pancho kasi nga they're down by double figures as Manuel, three-pointer in and out. Roque with the rebound. They got Santos on the other end. Paulie. Yun nga lang, travel.
But there was a foul.
Yes. Dalawang referee nagkaguluhan dun. I thought it was a traveling violation. So Paulie will troop to the line for 2. Look at this again. They were worried about the Santos lob. They forgot about Paulie there for Coach Pancho.
Yes. Sa bilis ng sidestep ni Paulie. Nauna yung contact. So look of disbelief. Yung si assistant coach ng Laguna Datzlav.
Even I'm in disbelief kay Sonny Estil. Nakakuha na naman offensive rebound. Ito Roque. No good yung layup niya. There was a foul. I'm gonna have to check how many rebounds Sunny still already has. I think he might be close to beating his own record. He has the record for most rebounds with 18, di ba? So, he might be close already. At marami siyang offensive rebounds, more than defensive rebounds, di ba? That, whoever that fan is, everyone is enjoying, di ba?
Yes.
And it's working kasi nagme-meditation Datzlav.
Oo, nagkatotoo yung sinigaw niya.
Oo.
Look at that.
That's why we love it here in Pampanga, di ba? Never a dull day here in Pampanga.
Yes, that's why every time that you will play here dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center, you need to bring your A game.
Oh, look at Sunny right there.
Horseback riding. Pero good thing, inalalayan ni Charles Galoso.
Talagang piggyback na talaga, no?
Yes.
Let's look at this right here, Sunny. I think that's how you can. That's one way. Inaabot pa rin niya, oh.
Battling for possession, but tignan mo naman din kasi itong si Sunny Sil eh. Kahit over the back pa yan, kukunin niya yung rebound. Whatever it takes.
Oh. And look at him get another one. And another second chance point for Sunny Estil.
So still a 12-point lead being enjoyed by Pampanga Delta here.
Manuel Tipsy do no go. Another rebound for Sunny.
So later on, we will check his rebound numbers here for Sunny Estil.
Nabitin lang yung layup na yun. Usatan niya off a rebound eh.
Pero look at him, still
Uh-oh.
pressuring.
Uy! Nabitin lang kay Roque.
Yes, medyo napaaga yung take-off at medyo nawala yung bola sa kamay.
That would have been the highlight of this entire tournament as Eto Santos with another board.
Look at him. 5 Pampanga Delta players running
Sunny,
down.
watch out!
Easy 2 points.
I really thought he would show why he's called Giannis Nanaspi.
But good decision for him.
Nagtitipid
opted
na.
for an easy layup. Yes.
Nagtitipid na si Sunny.
Marami pang oras para gawin nila yon. Meron pa silang 1 full quarter after this.
Let's look at this again, yung miss dunk ni Arthur Roque. Might be the best miss dunk. Kita mo bumibuela ng ala Russell Westbrook, di ba?
That could have brought the house down dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Oh. And I would have been jumping dito sa panel.
Yes, just like John Manuel did. He out-jumped the defense. Itong Pampanga Delta, they caught the defense of Pampanga Delta sleeping and that kaya napaka-sneaky play yung nangyaring yun.
Yes, ito Ferreras. They lob it to Santos. Santos throws it down!
Yes.
And sumabit pa si Kevin Santos.
Showing na this is how you do it. Simple lang. Wow, double-double numbers by Sunny Estil. Enzo.
Yes. 14 points and 12 rebounds na, di ba? And markaramihan doon offensive. Make that 13 there.
Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng rebound counting dito.
Bolly had a good luck.
Great job by our cameraman right here.
Alam niyo, nakita niyo.
Alisto.
But still, what a quarter for Pampanga Delta. They're up by 14. And let's look at this. Santos throw down the league leader in dunks, the young skyscraper. And kita mo, skyscraper dunk yun, Coach Pancho.
Yes.
And look at that.
He hang on to the rim, enjoying the moment momentarily as they're enjoying a 14-point lead dito ending the third quarter. And so for Pampanga Delta.
73-59 entering the final quarter dito lang sa ating holiday edition ng Sinag Liga Asya.
Magandang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
As we will see some of the family members, some of the loved ones dyan ng mga Pampanga Delta players. Of course, you can see the mother of Justin Bautista, Tita Janice, and of course, ang mga kasinag natin na nanonood in full support for Pampanga Delta, and hindi pa rin nahanap yung fan na yun, no, Coach Pancho, no, sa free throw. Kasi ito, Bautista, that's his favorite shot. And kita mo, Coach, no, short pa rin yung tira niya. See, his knee is still bothering him.
Kaya non-factor pa rin siya dito sa larong to.
Oo. Homo gives it to Tamarosa. Oh, he hesitated. Alota, the jumper. Wala pa rin, and Delfino with the board. CJ will sky. Didn't nga alam, but they still get it. Bautista, back to Delfino. Improved three-point shooter. Didn't nga lang, short.
Medyo malamig pa si CJ Delfino rito. Ngayon lang ulit siya binalik. Same with Justin Bautista.
And John Manuel with another layup. Siya talaga sumasagot dito sa mga runs ng Pampanga Delta.
Eto, Joseph Nuna kicks out. Ooh, to Janelle Policarpo getting that and one play. That was a good, strong drive right there.
Grabe na, Coach Pancho. Ibang klase itong Pampanga Delta, especially with Superman on the floor. Look at this move right there by Poli. Kala ko'y dadakdak niya eh. What are you doing? As ito, Poli converts the three-point play right here. Homo. Oh, good defense by two guys. Justin.
Oh, great defense.
Oo, traveling nga lang.
He forced his way against three Laguna Datzlav EOS construction.
Oo. And the Pampanga Delta still have yet to go to that cataclysmic run ng Coach Pancho that will seal the deal. Kasi nga medyo malapit pa yung distansya dito. 15. Manageable pa to for Datzlav. And ito, may foul pa dun sa drive.
Yes, look at this guy, MJ Homo. Still, you know, wanting to keep his team alive here. Same with John Manuel here. Those two backcourts ng Laguna Datzlav EOS construction still doing their work here.
Yes. Look at that. MJ Homo trying to, you know, will etong Datzlav EOS construction to a comeback dito. Almost parang single-handedly, no? Silang dalawa lang ni Manuel. Talagang gumagawa. But, you know, as you said nga, non-factor itong si Marvin Merondo and si Rob Panes.
Yes, their production was limited dito.
As Delfino, sayang yun for CJ.
That's his usual move pag umaatake sa middle. Pero, again, muntikan.
Manuel misses. Bautista with the board. Poli has Lumba on the other side. Junel gives it to Charles. Charles up fake. And yun nga lang, traveling violation na pito kay Lumba.
That's right. So, great job here by Jim Bricks Bakting and holding his own. Diba? So, nakakapag back-to-back stops na dito si Bakting for Datzlav. But they're not taking advantage of it by converting baskets on the other end.
Let's see if they do in this possession. Tamarosa steps back, steps through. Yun nga, hindi pa rin talaga, Coach Pancho eh.
They had their chances eh.
They have a barrier dito na 13 points, diba? Kanina pa, every time they get close to us 13, hindi sila makalamang or mababa nila as ito Lumba underneath. Bothered by the defense. Look at Nunag hustling hard.
Yes. Janelle Policarpo has been giving a lot of great passes here for the past couple of plays pero hindi nako-convert ng kanyang teammates. Pero sabi niya, okay, ako na ang gagawa niya.
Grabe. A good pass by Bautista over to Poli and Poli just, you know, lalagay na lang ni Poli sa ring when he's that close. Again, back to 15 ang kalamangan dito ng Pampanga Delta. Manuel drives. Met by Poli up top.
Great challenge by Janelle Policarpo.
Here comes Delfino and CJ with an easy layup right there.
Yes, first basket here by CJ Delfino for Pampanga Delta.
Ito, timeout for Laguna Datzlav EOZ construction. They're down by 17 points after this photon drive of the quarter. Hatid sa atin ang Photon, the official mobility partner of Sinag Liga Asya. The Tasmanian Devil with an easy 2 points right there. 17-point lead for Pampanga Delta, 80-63.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
So we have 7 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in this game, Coach Pancho. And Pampanga Delta, eto na, 17 points na yung kalamangan nila.
Yes, unti-unti nang lumalaki yung kalamangan nila dito.
Another air ball right there. Good defense by Lumba. Delfino looking to push. CJ's pass was tapped, and that's another turnover for Pampanga Delta.
Let's see if they will take advantage of this another opportunity to given to them. Wala pa rin.
Oo, wala talaga. Yan talaga yun, no? Every time they get a good defense or defensive stop, on the other end, hirap sila. Look at that, Rob Panes. Parang ngayon pa lang ata siya papasok in the second half, di ba? Nanakaw play sana itong Datzlav. Nunag with some good defense right there. Justin Tumiklat, sumobra nga lang. At yun, hindi alis to atin si kaibigan na si Direk Boy. Natamaan siya. Another turnover for Pampanga Delta. Let's see if itong Datzlav can finally capitalize on this possession.
Yes, ito, binalik na ulit si Rampanes, you know. Hoping that he could catch fire dito. Pero ito, first attempt, wala pa rin.
Panis looks hurt.
Pa.
As ito, Nunag. Alaw, dadakdak siya. Panis looks hurt right now.
Yes. Kasi nung pag-attempt niya nung kanyang wide open shot, bigla siyang nadulas eh.
Oo. Still a little bit of a limp sa kanya. And he's not shooting. He didn't look. And he's signaling na substitution ngayon.
Eh, kakapasok lang yan.
Oo. Delfino with the steal. Counter steal by Manuel. Collision in mid-air, and there's a foul.
Look at him limping.
Oo,
diba?
Pabalik sa bench.
Oo. Medyo nag-twist yung kanyang left ankle.
That's right. Ito, mag-free throw si Manuel dito. And now, let's give it to Sarah Turchman for her courtside report of the fourth quarter. Sarah?
According to assistant coach Raymond, masyado malalaki ang player ng kalaban kaya kailangan ng box out. Malalaki na, mabibilis pa, kaya lamang na lamang sila sa fast break. Pero assistant coach Raymond said to their players na focus lang sa game at makakahabol pa this coming quarter. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Sarah. And yun nga, di ba, Coach Pancho? You have to do a lot of things to come back into this ballgame. As look at that, how simple Pampanga Delta's offense is.
Oh, that was a good pass dito by Justin Bautista because he was double teamed right there. Kaya naman yan, a quick flash to the middle dito kay Joshua Miklat.
And ito, there's a whistle. I think an offensive foul. And it's now 20 points ang kalamangan dito ng Pampanga Delta.
Yes, they're starting to pull away in this ball game. And ito, a change of 5 dito for Coach Pedic. Lima to lang.
Oh, Nicdao, Angeles, Estil, Bugarin. Ang natira lang si Miklat, Coach Pancho. Enrico goes to Steven. Grabe. The minutes the Sunny Estil is logging in this game, di ba, Coach Pancho? Bugarin, the fake, the kick to Steven, all day to shoot. Angeles misfires. We're at the midway point ng ating fourth and final period. Datzlav needs to do something in order for them to come back here if they want to win. MJ, beautiful spin moves there. Kaling mag-dribble na itong batang to, no, Coach Pancho?
Very, very elusive. And with his size, talagang mahihirapan kang sumundot or keep up sa kanyang step dahil ang bilis. Tapos gumagamit pa siya ng katawan.
Oo. Yun yung body niya talaga, di ba? Makes him maliksi siya despite of yun nga, maliit, as ang bilis niya. And as you said nga, magaling gumamit ng katawan in terms of protecting the ball. Yeah. Mirondo knocks down a 3.
Yes, finally, first basket dito sa second half for Marvin Mirondo. That's only his 5th point dito in this ball game. He was being silent all throughout of this ball game until that shot.
Hans gives it to Sonny. Sonny is fouled and he'll troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Yes. Look at that strength coming from Sonny as he was able to somehow get that shot going kahit hindi pumasok yun after that whistle.
And grabe, you know. Addition, late, I don't know, I don't want to say late addition to this team, but compared to the other players dito that have been together for 5, 6 years together sa Pampanga Delta, we can now comfortably say Sonny Estil fits perfectly dito sa Pampanga Delta, di ba, Coach Pancho?
Yeah, so let's give credit to the Pampanga Delta coaching staff, the management, Gob, Coach Gob, Dennis Delta Pineda, you know, and talagang giving some advices and also some trainings dito for Sonny Estil. Talagang after they welcome Sonny Estil into this team, talagang grabe yung practices, yung training, at sinama pa sa mga regional leagues yan. Just to, you know, Sonny Estil to swim into their system. At kitang-kita mo naman, very evident kung paano mag-respond sa Sonny Estil dito. Kala mo, ang tagal niya sa Pampanga, di ba?
Totoo. And I like the fact that, you know, before he was with Pampanga Delta this year, last year, kalaban siya ng Pampanga Delta in a finals game. And nagkikipag-girian siya sa Pampanga Delta.
Yes. And that's the program ng Pampanga basketball as a whole na ginagawa ni Coach Gov Delta Pineda. And his talented and very persistent platoon of coaches that he has. Diba?
Oh, and the trust that he gave probably sa mga coaches na tingin niyo ba fit tong batang to sa atin? Diba? And kita mo naman, di ba? #1 rebounder for Pampanga Delta in this tournament. And sa dami ng pinagsinag best player niya, you could even make an argument that he is the best player in this tournament for Pampanga Delta.
Yes, and still working hard. He's not yet done.
Oo. And isa na lang kulang dito kay Sonny Estil in this tournament. It's what we know he can do talaga is the 3-point shot. He's, I don't want to say relegated, but he has accepted the role of being that energy guy, being the guy that crashes the boards. Hindi na siya yung focal point ng offense compared to before, di ba? He has accepted that role, and I think that's one of the reasons why undefeated pa rin ang Pampanga Delta through 6 games. And you know, if they can hold on to the lead with 2 minutes and 50 seconds, undefeated sila for 7 games because of Sonny Estil's sacrifice.
And that's the mark of a true basketball player who is willing to learn and able for you to, you know, improve your game more, and you know, willing to sacrifice. And then his versatility is one great aspect that Sonny Estil possess.
And yun nga, he's actually doing more with less. As good up fake right there by Enrico Bugarin, and that got him smiling.
Yes. And the Pampanga Delta is, you know, just really in control of this ball game and also enjoying it. Look at the bench of Pampanga Delta, no?
Yes.
Even after that foul from one of their teammates.
Kaya pala nila pinapalakpakan, foul out na si Hamstick daw. And look at this fake right there by Bugarin. Good use of the pivot foot to keep it planted. Yun pala rason ba't nila pinagtatawanan si Hans. He fouls out of the ball game. Of course, they can joke now kasi nga 20-point lead with 2 minutes and 36. They're comfortably in the driver's seat right now, di ba, Coach Pancho? But, you know,
that's the way of their saying, job well done. Ayun pala, hinahanap mo, Enzo. Oh, grabe ha. Parang sinigaw, Enzo. Parang ganun eh.
Sampulan mo nga ako, mamaya. Sumigaw ka rin ng ganun one time.
Yung pala yun.
Hinahanap mo. Sigang ka rin mo ganun one time. Nahanap na ng cameraman natin. Feeling ko kanina pa nila hinahanap yung may free throw.
Feeling ko, Enzo, eto na. Nahanap mo na talaga siya.
I already have. And she's watching right now. What are you talking about?
Kanina mo pa siya hinahanap, sabi mo.
Hindi. Sabi ko, bigyan lang natin ng shine kasi pati yung mga fans natutuwa kung nasan siya.
So, thank you, Direk. Thank you sa production natin, sa cameraman. Tinulungan natin si Enzo mahanap yung kanyang tunay.
Lalakas mo na, alam mo na trip mo ha. Ito, 3-pointer for Manuel. That would have been big if he knocked it down.
They've gone cold na rito.
But they're still hustling. Ito, Datzlav.
Oo, grabe yung Charles Galoso dito, ha? Still hustling and diving.
With 90 points in a minute and 10, can Pampanga Delta still, get to the 100-point mark, Coach Pancho?
Yes.
As Galoso putting the moves on Miklat. Galoso over Dunag.
Grabe si Charles Galoso, dumadive, still scoring.
Oh.
Tama yun. Play until the buzzer sounded, even though you're behind.
And Miklat is fouled, and that's only their fourth team foul. So, hindi pa sila mag-free throw. Talking about Pampanga Delta.
Oo, no? So, malaking factor dito for Datzlav EOZ Construction yung pagkawala ng explosiveness ni Marvin Mirondo at ni Rob Panes most especially, di ba?
Oo. Angeles, 3-pointer. Ayaw pa rin. Bugarin keeps it alive.
Ayun na naman yung kanyang sidestepping move.
And look at that, he sets up Dunag. Nakita mo yung bench ng Pampanga Delta.
Yes, look at the celebrating. They're happy for their teammates because of the effort being given. And look, speaking of effort, Steven Angeles not stopping, getting that steal. At eto, kay Bugarin na naman.
Look at Enrico being hounded right here. Bugarin gives it to Lumba. Charles gives it to Steven. 3 seconds. They have to launch it. Bugarin, 3-pointer. No good. Look at Miklat right there.
Wow.
Icing on the cake, Coach Pancho. And I believe with 43 seconds, they're not going to reach the 100-point mark only for the second time this season. But still, 94 points. This is the lowest output. This is their lowest output, 94. Diba? Ganun kagrabe itong kupunan na to ng Pampanga Delta. And they're telling Bugarin not to shoot anymore. They're waving the white flag na. What a victory for Pampanga Delta. And let's not take away anything from Datzlav. Pinahirapan nila itong Pampanga Delta.
Yes,
they made them earn this victory.
Especially in the first half. But come second half, doon na talaga umalagwa. Ito, may traveling violation pa si Enrico Bugarin dito.
And look at the reaction of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Coach Predic. Natawa sila lahat doon. Of course, Gov Delta, it's good to see him again. It's good to be back here in Pampanga, and Pampanga Delta, through 7 games, still unscathed ang kanilang record, Coach Pancho.
7-0.
Yes. 3 more games to go. Can they sweep the elimination round, diba? That's something we have to, look at. Kasi nga, grabe. They're still dominant dito. Again, another double-digit, another 20-point victory para sa team na to. And again, another total team effort from them for this victory.
That's right. That's how, very talented and powerful. Itong talagang powerful itong Pampanga Delta. And, anyone can show up, anyone can deliver day in and day out, most especially in front of their home town people who is watching live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. So a 20-point beating that they gave to the Laguna Datzlav EOZ Construction, playing without their head coach, Rolly Manelo. But again, hats off to the Laguna for giving them a fight. But again, Pampanga Delta, 7-0, undefeated.
Yes. Totoo, and grabe nga ang kanilang ginawa dito. A total team effort. Polly showed up, Kevin Santos showed up, Roque andun din, Ferreras. Total team effort, and even off the bench, kagaya ni Enrico Bugarin, diba? Showing us some highlights kanina.
Yes, so everyone showed up dito for Coach Pedic Timatulog and Coach Governor Delta Pineda. But ito, Enzo.
This guy is the most consistent. Ang kasama na ni Maris Victorio, ang ating Sinag Best Player of the Game. Atid sa atin ng J Project Clothing Shop. Maris, take it away.
This is Sinag Best Player of the Game, Sonia Steele from Pampanga Delta, presented by J Project with 18 points, 15 rebounds, and 3 blocks. Hi, Sonny, kamusta ka?
Okay naman po.
Sonny, sobrang consistent mo on being the best player. Pang-apat mo na to. Paano nakatulong ang Sinag Liga Asya sa individual performance mo?
Ano ba yun?
Paano nakatulong ang Sinag Liga Asya sa individual performance mo para ma-enhance yung skill mo sa basketball?
Laking tulong yung Sinag na liga kasi para sa akin, tinataas yung kumpiyansa ko kasi minsan lang ako nagkakaroon ng mga ligang ganito kaya di ko inaano yung opportunity ko. Kaya binubuhos ko yung 100% ko para manalo.
So sabi kanina ni Coach Alan Trinidad, halos wala kayong game prep. Ano ang strategy na ginagawa mo para makakontribute sa team mo at naging resulta sa pagiging best player of the game mo?
Pag may kahit wala kaming laro, nag-individual practice pa rin ako. Nag-workout pa rin ako individual kahit wala kaming game prep. At saka pagdating sa court, ginagawa ko lang yung pinapagawa ni coach, rebound, ganun lang. Tsaka depensa. Dadating naman yung opensa para sa akin. Yun lang.
Sunny, pagkakataon mo nang bumate.
Binabati ko po si Gob, Dinis Deta Pinida, at saka sa mga coaching staff, si Coach Pidek, at saka sa Sinag Liga Asya, saka sa family ko sa Taytay, ikisilpa ako sa asawa ko, sa anak ko, at saka sa si Boss Martin ng MC family, at saka kay Tita Mariche, at saka sa lugar ko dyan sa Mindanao, sa pamilya ko, sa kapatid ko, Almar, tsaka yun lang.
Thank you, Sonny, and congrats on being the best player of the game. Again, this is Sinag Best Player of the Game, Sonny Estil. Back to you, Coach Pancho and Enzo.
Thank you so much, Maris. That was Sunny Cash Money is still 18 points, 15 rebounds. Another best player of the game para sa kanya. And Coach Pancho, your final thoughts for this ball game?
Yes, they completely dominated. And congrats.
Congratulations, Sunny.
Pang-apat na nga na Sinag best player of the ball game ni Sunny. Well-deserved dahil naman he's doing it all para sa Pampanga Delta. That's why they're still undefeated, 7-0.
Grabe na, Coach Pancho. And that ends this holiday special ng Sinag Liga Asya. But syempre, makikita natin very soon yung games natin actually on Thursday, no, Coach Pancho. Sa 1 Cainta in Cainta Rizal, ang J Project Boomers kontra Parañaque Pelicans, LDG San Pedro kontra the undefeated Pampanga Delta, and Batang Lakan ng Bulacan kontra the NBS Slashers sa Thursday po yan sa 1 Arena in Cainta Rizal. But that ends our games for today for Coach Pancho, Alfonso, Maris, Victorio, Sara Turchman. This is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Tanan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Boyet, Video Gear Incorporated, and the rest of the hardworking men and women ng Sinag Liga Asya from the BREN Convention Center. This has been your 2023 Sinag Liga Asya Born 2001 Cup, and we are saying goodbye and good night.